Did you know that having preventative maintenance performed on your heating and cooling system could save you thousands of dollars? You wouldn't drive your car 20,000 miles without getting an oil change now, would you? You'd sure be asking for trouble. Well, this analogy holds true for your heating and cooling system too. Your equipment works overtime in the summer heat and cold winters to keep you and your loved ones as comfortable as possible. For a small investment, you could save money, breathe cleaner air, increase the safety of your home, and help the environment, all while boosting your overall peace of mind. You can reduce breakdowns as much as 95% and even lower your utility bills by 30%. That is why we're committed to keeping you and your family 100% satisfied through regular preventative maintenance.